I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how to make facing your fears absolutely an effortless process. Because most people believe that overcoming your fear, overcoming your challenge is difficult. It's hard. It has a lot of resistance. I'm here to tell you that it's not the case. And I'm going to share with you a perspective that completely goes against most people's belief system. But if you can just open your mind, what you'll find perhaps in this video is that being who you want is natural. It's not scary. Being your preferred version is easy. It's effortless. I'm going to share with you how you can do that, and how actually in a lot of ways not doing it is the harder path. So if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is I want you to hit that subscribe button, to hit that notification bell, because I do post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, hit the link that's in the description box of this video. Now, the first thing that I want to share with you in this video is that being scared is hard. Being really scared is difficult. So I'm going to go deeper. Being really scared about doing something, that is difficult. Thinking about, oh my gosh, that's going to be so hard to do that thing, right? Thinking about it, not actually being that version that you want to be, but thinking about how scary it's going to be, right? Thinking about how scary it's going to be, that is hard. That has resistance, that has heaviness, that has almost like a baggage, like you're carrying the baggage of the past. Now listen to this. Facing your fear is effortless. Actually being who you want to be, being your preferred version in this moment right now, believe me, that is effortless. It's easy. It's natural. It's normal. That's the way that I like to see it, at least. You can communicate it in many different ways. Being who you want, some could say it's the middle way. You could say, if you want, it's not hard nor easy. But for me, the way that I like to see it is effortless. Like, it's really not hard to transform. Being scared about being who I want to be, that is way more difficult, way harder in my experience than just going out and being who I want to be, building momentum and taking action, being focused, being like allowing myself to be what I want to be. Being focused, it's like, oh, focus, that's not, no, focus, being focused is effortless. Being focused is effortless. Not being focused, not allowing yourself to be naturally going towards what you want, that's the hard part. Now, the second thing that I want to share with you in this video is that holding on to the past equals resistance. Okay? Holding on to who you used to be equals resistance. Now listen to this. Transforming into who you want, being like transforming, looking forward to that vision, but of course being that person also. That vision is you embodying that new version that you want to be. That is effortless. That is effortless. Moving forward, always imagining that next version of you, noticing how you're becoming that new version of you, you're transforming into that new version of you, you're gaining powerful momentum, you're speeding up, you feel calm, you feel grounded, yet your reality is speeding up. Things are happening faster. You're slowing down. Now what the ego does is it gets scared. Oh my gosh, things are happening too easy. Let me go back to the old reality. No, you're unlocking a new belief system. There's nothing to be scared of. Keep riding that wave of effortlessness. I don't know if I said that right. Ride that wave of being in an effortless flow. Riding down the stream, right? You have the power to choose to live from that space. If you think the thoughts and be who you want. Now, if you don't want to do that, it usually, in my experience, It's a lot harder to not do that. It's a lot more difficult to not do that. There's a lot more resistance when I don't do that. When I say, you know what, I'm tired of being tired. And I don't want to even be like reactive to being in the old reality, because that even further reinforces the reality. I have to find peace and just let it all go and be who I want. I don't even want to be like angry or like mad at the old reality. That's fine. I've already been there. I mean, yeah, I can get mad for a little bit. Yeah, let me get motivated to make change. But then eventually it's like, no, just screw all of that. Be who I want now, right now. And there's that peace. There's an effortlessness that there's that effortless flow that comes when you just let go of the past and decide that this is who I am now. There's peace. There's a genuine peace, because now you don't need to even be confused about what choices you make. You know what you have to do. Once you know where you're going, you know what you have to do. See, when we know truly who we want to be, we know exactly what we have to do. Our deeper intelligence, the life force within you, the consciousness within you, God, the universe will flow through you, and you'll know you'll have the right ideas, the right thoughts. You'll know exactly what you need to do, who you need to be in order to create what you want. We all do that, but what we do is we resist that. We pretend that we don't know, and then we go back to the old way. We lie to ourselves. We lie to ourselves. It's a big lie. So you got to start being honest. What do you really feel is the right way for you? What do you feel is the right way for you? What is effortless? Is holding on to something, thinking a certain kind of thought, being kind of way? Is it holding you down? Let that go. Be something else. Be something new. Yes, you'll be in the unknown. Yes, you'll be scared, but you won't be resistant. So it's not like you're scared, like bad scared. It's like you're excited scared. You're in a new energy. That's not bad. That's a good kind of stress. You're right in the middle. Now, you don't want to be holding on to the past, because again, that's that you're going to be weighed down by all of that old energy. Now, the third and final thing that I want to share with you in this video is to replace fear. It's going to sound cliche. To replace fear with love. Replace fear with love. Because the truth is that when you're scared, when you're contracted, when you have limitations coming up, that's right there an opportunity to do something. You can work with that. Fear is a powerful tool that most people don't understand. So when you're scared, that's you can program yourself to see that as an opportunity, literally. But most people don't do that because they're lazy. Now, it's funny that I say the word lazy, because being lazy is harder than being loving towards yourself. That's what I believe. When you're lazy, when you're doing something you've already done before, right? That kind of energy where you're closing down, you're not opening up your heart. You're not opening up. You're not expanding your energy. You're not feeling effortless on top of the world with your posture open, with your chest open, walking the way that you want, right? When you feel like you want to close down in any kind of way, you can replace that with love. What does that mean? That means your highest vision of yourself. Your highest vision. So your highest self. And you can program your being to be in this way. That's a powerful way to make your fears, to make overcoming fear an effortless process. Is so when you have that contraction, that contraction, just notice that and then expand anyways. That's a tool. That's an opportunity. That's your higher self nudging you to go a little bit deeper into who you really want to be, even deeper into that expansion, into that new version, into that person that you really want to be. See, fear is an opportunity. See, where one person sees limitation, what you're going to see is an opportunity to become something new, to be who you actually want to be. And with that, I conclude this video. Once again, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, hit the link that's in the description box of this video. Also, leave a like on this video only if you want to, because I do believe that every single person on this planet does deserve to know that they are divine creators of their reality, and that actually they can manifest their reality and do so in the most effortless and easeful way possible, helping themselves and helping others in the process as well. Hitting that like button does help the YouTube algorithm push the videos out to more people, and that would be greatly appreciated. As always, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next